हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। मार्केट क्या लगता है कि इस नए एपिसोड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। दिस वीक was a good week in terms of target completion and rest of the thing. If you ask me personally, I was not trading indices in this particular week because I feel that we are very close to the level where we can see a reversal, a potential reversal can be seen in both the indices. But let's wait and watch for the confirmation to happen. Before we proceed, let us have a look at how this particular week has panned out session by session. For the second week of December, our view was something like if the high sustains for the previous week, then we may see a target of 13,402 in Nifty and 30,630 in Bank Nifty. So both these targets are completed and currently we are sitting comfortably above both these targets. And what do we have in store? So let's go and see what was today's message like on the group. So today's message on Growth Model Prime Group is that with this week's target completed for Nifty 13,402 and Bank Nifty 30,630, I will take a pause here. So for this entire week, I'm not being trading indices. I'm just waiting, observing so as what is happening in the indices. See, generally bull markets are built on walls of worries. And this current phase is to be monitored closely for a weakness in indices or how the action is actually panning out. It's better to pause and reflect. If you are trading, if it is necessary for you to trade, then keep your position sizing small. And till the time we don't see a confirmation on our trend lines, no new trades in indices, especially in indices. Stocks are doing good. Some of the equity trades are doing good. So all in all, current situation is doing amazingly. Now let me share a story with you here. Ashutosh Appandkar. So Ashutosh Appandkar had bought Tanla Solutions at about 8 rupee 80 paise, Tanla platforms. And yesterday, this stock was at 904. Where to book? Target not in horizon. That's what he's saying. He's sharing his view about this stock. So about 2013 he had bought, 6 years journey from 8 rupee 80 paise to 900 plus today Tanla is, and is a remarkable story. Tanla Solutions, Tanla platform, the name later changed to Tanla platform, but it's an amazing story for Ashutosh Appandkar and many congratulations to him. Cool. And he's holding 1800 shares of Tanla Solutions, right? So with the initial investment of about 15,000 rupees, it has grown to about 15 lakh rupees today in a span of 5 to 6 years. So that's a respectable trade, I would say, or a respectable investment. Coming back to our Nifty weekly chart, weekly candle looking very strong, about little less than 2% movement that can be seen. We can also see that the target of 13,402 being completed quickly. Let's go on hourly time frame. As you can see, it has gone above this level of 13,402 and also it has taken support at this important level. So whichever target, Fibonacci targets or resistances that you have, once the resistances are crossed, they act like a support. So this is same thing that's happening here in case of Nifty as well. Am I going to plot a new target here? No, I don't think this week I'm ready for any new target. Rather, what I'm going to do here is from this low, so right from this low to this high. Okay, so this is a box again, and in this box, I feel if this box breaks out on the upper side, which I believe I am not going to trade in the long direction, but if it breaks on the lower direction, I'll keep this 13,402 as my stop loss, and then I will initiate a new trade if at all price closes below this particular box. So this is going to be my trading strategy. Why I am not sharing targets in this particular week is for a very specific, very simple reason. That's in current situation, in current market condition, what we can see is that on a 15-minute time frame, we can see a lot of rallies or swings that are being manifested on the charts. And these swings are easy to trade using your system, trading system if you have any, and you have to be agile in this phase. As long as we don't get a confirmation of the reversal in this trend, use your 15-minute time frame if you are trading intraday and make most of it. right? So this can be a logical way of trading, but be little cautious at this phase in time, this particular time of the year. And I want you to be little slow, go little slow, keep your position sizing really small and trade only if you must. And again, I'm not going to bet on the long direction, but if Nifty closes below this 13,402, then I might initiate some short trade. Same goes with Bank Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, the weekly candle is promising little shy of 2%. And here again, I'm going on to hourly time frame. So on hourly time frame, our target nicely completed 30,630 and price lingering around those area for the most of the time. And now, as you can see, currently today price has taken exactly resistance at that particular point, and from there it might reverse. Again, I'm going to use the similar kind of a method for Nifty, Bank Nifty as well. And if this specific level, so if these two specific levels, if they oblige, if the market oblige as per this, we are going to initiate a new trade. I am not very keen on trading in bullish direction at this moment in time. I'm going to wait, observe market. As a trader, I personally feel that as a trader, you must exactly know when you must take a trade. And as a trader, you must know when you should not be initiating any new trades, right? So current situation, I am just being watchful about F&O trades here, taking some time, right? Because at the end of the year, we also see that the trading volume drops dramatically. The volatility is not that great. Swings are happening on a 15-minute time frame, and that's usually to trap traders. So let it be, let that action happen as it is. We will observe, and once we get a small stop loss entry, then accordingly we may enter into a trade, right? So more discussion on the groups, but for here in this particular week, I am not setting any new targets. Let's be watchful about the market and preferably keep your position sizing as small as possible, right? Guys, I want you to enjoy this session, enjoy this period, entire week. Observe the markets as much as possible. See, while the trader is not trading, he is observing what is happening in market, and those observations pay off really well. If you wish to understand what my thought process is, just go back, visit December 2019, and you will understand, right? October, November, December, all 3 months, and this current action is happening almost on a similar note. Almost a similar kind of price action is happening in both the indices. So observe from those particular charts and learn, right? So that we can implement it in the new year, and we need a momentum to trade in market successfully. And as long as that momentum is missing, I will prefer option traders, buyers of the options must stay away from market. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great time ahead.